So you're serious about shedding some pounds, hitting the gym 3 days a week, and staying on top of your meal prep for healthy eats. Yet that stubborn belly fat just won't budge. Listen, I've been there, seen it, coached millions through it. We get frustrated, we think we're doing everything right, but sometimes we need a little extra boost. That's why I'm going to let you in on a little secret, 3 actually, that can help you finally win the battle against belly fat. We're diving deep into 3 miracle drinks that are like magic potions for your metabolism. Get ready to say goodbye to that spare tire and hello to a leaner, healthier you. Let's kick off with a concise yet impactful statement. Weight gain is a symptom, not the cause or the problem itself. The underlying issue lies in having excessive insulin levels. Let me simplify it for you. Insulin is a hormone primarily responsible for storing fat. When there's an excess of insulin in your system, burning fat becomes challenging. Over time, this can lead to a condition called insulin resistance. It's like the cells are being stubborn and not letting insulin do its job properly. So even though your body is making insulin, it's not able to lower your blood sugar levels as effectively as it should. Then your body tries to compensate by producing even more insulin, further exacerbating the situation, leading to more fat accumulation in the body. See, it's not the fatty belly that's the problem. It's merely a result of a deeper concern: insulin resistance. If you're curious about what triggers this surge in insulin, here's the scoop. Firstly, there are carbohydrates, found abundantly in foods like bread, pasta, and sweets. Consuming carbs prompts your body to rapidly produce insulin, facilitating the movement of sugar into your cells for energy or storage. Secondly, the frequency of your meals matters. Each time you snack or have a meal, your body signals for more insulin production. So the more often you eat, the more insulin your body generates. This is why the intermittent fasting is highly recommended in this situation. Lastly, there's the situation of insulin resistance itself, akin to a cycle where excessive insulin fosters further resistance. All right, now that we've covered the basics of insulin resistance as the root cause of stubborn belly fat, get ready to discover not just 1 or 2, but 3 game-changing ingredients to boost your fluids and banish that belly fat. Stay tuned for the magic. All right, let's kick things off with a drink that's as simple as it gets: lemon water. Lemons contain citric acid. In fact, they are one of the richest natural sources of citric acid, which gives them an amazing ability to help improve insulin sensitivity. That means your body can use insulin more effectively, which means less of it gets stored as fat. Now, how do we put this into action? It's ridiculously easy. With the whole lemon, you can blend it in the blender or just squeeze a half a lemon into a glass of water. That's it. Think about it. You're hydrating first thing in the morning, kickstarting your metabolism, and fighting insulin resistance all at the same time. But it doesn't stop there. Swap out sugary drinks throughout the day for lemon water. Make lemon water a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. It's refreshing, calorie-free, and keeps you feeling full and satisfied. Trust me, your waistline will thank you. Let's move on to our next magic potion: apple cider vinegar. I know, the smell might not be the most appealing, but trust me on this one, the benefits are worth it. We're talking about a serious weapon in the fight against belly fat. Just like our lemon buddy, apple cider vinegar is a rock star when it comes to tackling insulin resistance. It actually helps slow down the rate at which your body absorbs sugar, preventing those blood sugar spikes that lead to fat storage. But wait, there's more. Apple cider vinegar also works its magic by increasing feelings of fullness. That means you're less likely to overeat or crave those sugary snacks that sabotage your progress. Now, how do you incorporate this wonder tonic into your routine? Easy. Mix a tablespoon or 2 of apple cider vinegar with a glass of water before your meals. The key here is to dilute it, as apple cider vinegar is acidic and can be harsh on your teeth if not diluted properly. And be sure to use raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar that contains the mother. The mother is what is used to ferment the apples to make vinegar and contains prebiotics which feed the good bacteria in your gut, resulting in a flatter belly and better digestion. Our final fat-fighting champion isn't something you typically think of as a drink, but trust me, this spice deserves a spot on our list. Cinnamon, your new secret weapon against belly fat. You see, cinnamon acts like a mime, mimicking the effects of insulin and improving your body's sensitivity to this crucial hormone. In one study, they took 543 diabetics and tested cinnamon. The average person dropped their blood sugars by 24 points, which is very significant. So if you can add a few things to the liquid you're already drinking, it's a no-brainer. So there you have it, 3 simple yet incredibly powerful drinks that can help you finally win the battle against belly fat. Make these drinks a part of your daily routine and watch as your body transforms. It's important to remember that these drinks are not a magic bullet. They work best when combined with a healthy diet and regular exercise. Be patient with yourself. Results take time and effort. Every journey starts with a single step, and every sip of these miracle drinks is a step towards a healthier, happier you.